The Ramayana is a saga of love, sacrifice, and the ultimate victory of good over evil. But its final chapter, the Uttarkand, it contains a mystery that has sparked debates for centuries. Why did Lord Ram, the personification of Maryada, called as dignity, send a pregnant queen Sita into exile? Was it an act of abandonment, or was it the ultimate sacrifice of a king? Today, we go beyond the surface to uncover the truth behind the most heartbreaking decision in history. After the defeat of Ravan, Ram and Sita returned to Ayodhya. It was the beginning of Ram Rajya, an era of perfect justice. However, peace was short-lived. Whispers began to circulate among the citizens. A washerman called as Dhobi, he publicly questioned Sita's purity because she had spent a long time in Ravan's Lanka. In those times, the king was the moral compass of the nation. If the king's own household was under suspicion, the laws of the land would lose their authority. Ram was faced with a choice that no man should ever have to make. This is where we must understand the concept of Rajdharma, that is the duty of a king, versus Pati Dharma, that is the duty of a husband. As a husband, Ram knew Sita was pure. His heart wanted to protect her and stay by her side. As a king, Ram belonged to his people. He believed that a leader must be beyond even the slightest hint of scandal to maintain social order. Lord Ram didn't abandon Sita because he doubted her. He separated from her because he chose his duty to his millions of subjects over his personal happiness. It wasn't an act of patriarchy. It was an act of extreme, painful self-sacrifice. Many critics forget what happened after Sita left. If Ram had truly abandoned her in his heart, he would have married again to provide the kingdom with an heir. But he didn't. The vow of monogamy. Ram lived like a hermit, that is Vanvasi, inside the palace. He slept on the floor and ate simple food. The golden statue. When he performed the Ashwamedh Yagna, which required a wife by his side, he had a golden statue of Sita made. This proved to the world that in his heart and soul, no one could ever replace her. And what about Sita? She wasn't a helpless victim. She understood the weight of the crown. By leaving, she protected Ram's reputation as a king and ensured the stability of Ayodhya. Her stay at sage Valmiki's ashram wasn't just exile. It was a period of strength where she raised two of the greatest warriors, Love and Kush, entirely on her own. Their separation was a mutual sacrifice for the sake of the dharma of that era. So did Ram abandon Sita? Physically they were separated, but spiritually they remained one. The end of Ramayana isn't a story of betrayal. It's a story of how much a leader is willing to lose to serve his people. It's a reminder that sometimes doing what is right for the world comes at a devastating personal cost. What do you think? Was Ram's decision justified by his role as a king, or should he have stood by Sita against the world? Let's discuss in the comments below. If you found this perspective insightful, please hit the like button and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into our history and mythology. Jai Shri Ram.